Join me as I take on the challenge of packing my entire suitcase using this genius luggage hack and see if it really helps me stress less. Traveling can be such a thrill, but let's be real. Dealing with luggage can be a total nightmare. We've all been there, struggling to wheel around a heavy suitcase only to find out that our flight is delayed and we have to gate check it. The stress that comes with lugging around disorganized luggage can totally ruin the excitement of exploring a new place. I mean, who hasn't felt that anxiety of not knowing if their bag will make it to their destination? I've lost count of how many times I've arrived at the airport only to realize that I packed everything in the wrong place. My clothes are wrinkled, my essentials are scattered everywhere, and I'm stuck searching for my phone charger in a sea of clothes. It's like, why can't we just make traveling easier? When we're not stressing about our luggage, we can focus on the fun stuff, like trying new foods or meeting new people. We've all tried to get creative with packing, but sometimes it feels like we're just patching up a problem that shouldn't exist in the first place. That's where luggage hacks come in. These genius solutions can transform the travel experience and make our lives so much easier. And trust me, I've tried my fair share of packing cubes and whatnot, but sometimes it feels like we're just making things more complicated. The thing is, when we're stressed about our luggage, it can affect our whole trip. We might miss our flight, or forget something important, or just feel anxious the whole time. That's why I'm so excited to share this luggage hack with you. It's been a total game changer for me, and I think it can help you stress less too. So here's the hack. Use packing cubes with a twist. Instead of just throwing your clothes in a cube, organize them by type and use a color coding system. This way, you can easily find what you need and avoid digging through your entire suitcase. For example, I use one cube for tops, one for bottoms, and one for dresses. It's amazing how something so simple can make such a big difference. The best part about this hack is that it's customizable to your needs. If you're someone who likes to pack light, you can use smaller cubes. If you're someone who likes to pack a lot, you can use bigger ones. And the color coding system, that's just genius. I mean, who hasn't struggled to find their phone charger in a sea of clothes? But here's the thing, this hack isn't just about packing cubes. It's about changing the way you think about packing. It's about being intentional with what you bring and how you organize it. When you use this hack, you'll realize that packing doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, it can be kind of fun. So let's recap. This genius luggage hack is all about using packing cubes with a twist. It's customizable, easy to use, and can totally transform your travel experience. By using this hack, you'll be able to stress less and focus on the fun stuff like trying new foods or meeting new people. Give this hack a try and let me know how it goes. Share your own packing tips in the comments below, and be sure to check out my other travel tips videos for more genius hacks like this one.